now. I don't think Christina needs any. Oh no, that wasn't very nice.
No, we're not Canadian.
What? Christina wanted to go to the beer store with me and you're being a bitch?
You wanted to go with her? Because I'm not going. I thought we were going together. No, are you drunk? That's the point of sending her. I wouldn't just invite her. If I was going to go, I'd go by myself.
What a fucking bitch. You're such a bitch. It shouldn't sting. We haven't put chlorine in this since the last time I did, and that was like early July.
Not urine in this. Christina tells me like what, like a couple months ago, she's like, so I thought this would be a good time to tell you. I fished in your pool a few times. I told you around Christmas. Oh yeah, around Christmas. And she's like, well, don't worry now. It's probably ice.
Okay, LCBO.